I wanted to show you how you can use Boolean expressions and some of the operators they have. So here, if we go to operators, you can see there's actually operators, and one of these, you can see it's a Boolean expression. It's evaluating whether it's true or false, and so I put it in an if statement. This is it. I just put in the numbers 5 and 6. If 5 is smaller than 6, if 5 is less than 6, say true. Otherwise, say false. So when I click on it, it says true. If I changed it to if 6 is greater than 5, and then I hit the flag, if 6 is greater than 5, say true, otherwise say false, it's false. It's evaluating this expression for true and false. And here, this shows you a Boolean expression, and it also shows you that there's an operator, the green block, that shows you all these operators that you can use: plus, minus, times, divide, a random number generator that you could specify, in this case, the default 1 to 10, less than, equals, greater than, ands, ors, nots. I mean, there's a lot, join, there's a lot that we're not going to use, but you could use and look into. But there's a mod, and we'll do some of these along the way. But square root, round, so these are things you can play with on your own also. We're not going to be doing every one of these. Other Boolean expressions, so we had here in the operators, there's some of them here, less than, or equals, or greater, but there were some that we saw here a little bit, like mouse down, key press, like there are some others that get evaluated. And basically everything inside the if is either true or false. If it's true, it goes here, false, it goes here. And these are the Boolean expressions that only have one answer, true or false.